Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Annie Nova. If this is your first time watching my channel, hello. I am 25 years old. I live in Seoul, South Korea, and I just document my life here as a foreigner and try and give tips and tricks to people wanting to do the same. So as you can tell by the title, I have, well actually no, if you watched my last video or second to last video, I don't remember, or maybe even third to last. Anyway, if you watched my videos, you'll know that I recently have moved to a new apartment. Before I start the house tour, I wanted to actually sit down and talk to you guys about the nitty-gritty specifics about this apartment. So the area that I am now living in is called Yeouido, which is the finance district of Seoul. This place, surprisingly, only 2 million. And then my monthly is 1.1, which I believe is around $800. If I had put down 10 million for this place, my rent would be a little bit cheaper, but to be honest, not a lot, like maybe like 100 or 200 less. This place was built in the spring, so this place is only 5 months old, and I am the second person to be living here, so everything is pretty much new-ish, not an old building, very new. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so as we step into the door, this is the first thing we see. And then obviously, like every Korean household, we have a little area where you leave your shoes. I have like a little cupboard here for like shoes. I don't have that many, so I only use like the bottom one, but there is a shoe closet here as well, but I just use this for like miscellaneous things that I don't have room for anywhere else. So for example, my Hoover and like water and just, you know, masks and stuff like that. So most kitchens in Korea don't actually have a oven. They have instead a washing machine. I know in Europe they have the washing machine in the bathroom, but in Korea at least you have it in the kitchen area. And I don't know why, but most Korean households, like I said, don't have ovens. You have to buy that yourself. I really like the amount of space that I have. I know not my last apartment, the one before, I struggled with like space management. So, but here I'm able to put a cutting board and just, you know, do my thing. 2 hobs, a little bit of storage here. So when we turn around, we get into the bathroom and you get this like 360 view basically from all of the mirrors. With this apartment especially, I'm really into like the hidden, like hiding everything. Like I'm not into displaying like even this, having this out really annoys me because it makes it like look kind of cluttered, I guess. Like I just want everything hidden. When I need it, I get it out. When I'm done with it, I put it back, and I feel like it makes it look so much neater. That was like the vibe and inspiration of this whole apartment actually. You can see here and also here. We're gonna hide this, and I don't have to make it look aesthetic. So then we turn around and this is my shower, and it's a very, so you only really have this in like newer apartments where you have like a little step into the shower. Usually in Korea, this would be like flat. You usually wouldn't even have this or a door, and like your whole bathroom would get wet as you're showering. But I love the fact that I don't have to, you know, when I walk back in after I've had a shower, my feet are wet. So yeah, this is my shower. It has like a little waterfall shower head, and then I just use this one because I attached a water filter to this because my hair falls out otherwise. The water here isn't the best for me personally, and I've had a lot of my foreign friends say the same, but you know, it's for the aesthetic. So yeah, a very modern, very nice shower. And then one thing that I was just cracking up at when I found out, so this little thing, this is by the toilet, and when you press it, it's for your phone. I love that. Like, it's such a cute little detail. I don't really use this, but it's nice to have, I guess. Okay, so next we are back in the kitchen. This is just a built-in fridge and freezer, nothing super exciting. And then one of the things I love about this place is I feel very safe as a woman living by myself. Like, this is connected to the outside of my door, which has a video camera. So if there's someone knocking at my door and I'm not expecting anyone, I can just press this button and obviously see who's knocking at my door. And I'm pretty sure this connects to my security office downstairs, so if something's wrong I can contact someone, which is cool. And then we turn around and we have a styler. I asked you guys on Instagram, like, what is this, because I have no idea. And apparently it dries, it removes dust particle, which we have a lot in Korea. It steams your clothes, it can disinfect your clothes. So like a lot of things, especially if you have allergies, this is an amazing thing. I currently just use it to store my big old suitcase because it won't fit anywhere else. But obviously if I am going to use it, I'm just going to take it out and then put it back in. But great storage. Great storage place for my suitcase. And then to the star of the show, arguably, this. And oh my god, you can see the sun is going down, so it's got this like beautiful hue. But yeah, this is the living room. So as you know, if you watched my apartment hunting vlog, you know that I stepped into here and I was like, I need to live here. I need to have this because of these two windows. Also, the windows are, well, this window is south-facing. South-facing windows are like the best you could have because they let in the most light. So I put some window crystals up here, and when the light hits it, it has like really nice patterns all around my apartment. So we walk in, we turn around. So this is like my little corner. I asked you guys on Instagram actually if I should put my couch in this little nook or if I should put it here and put my TV here. And most of you guys did say I should put my couch here and put my TV here, but to be honest, like, I just love just sitting here and looking outside. I felt like it was such a shame to have my back to this view, have the back to like the sky and this view, you know. So I made the decision to, you know, do it the other way, and I really, really like how it looks. Also, if you're wondering, like, oh my god, where does she eat? Like, how? So this is something that I thought about a lot because I wanted to keep the space really open, and I felt like if I add a coffee table, it's gonna close up the space and make it look smaller, if that makes sense. So I actually got this, and so it looks like it's nice decoration and it looks like a canvas, but it's actually a secret table. So whenever I'm eating, I just use that. So I use it when I need it, and then I put it right back, and I have my open space again. Okay, so POV, you're me walking up these stairs while I'm really, really tired. Luckily, I've not tripped up yet, which is nice. And this is where I rest my head. Nothing super fancy up here, to be honest. I still have some decorating to do. I'm gonna get like a little mirror, maybe a rug. And I use these two for storage. And then this wardrobe is for clothes. So like I said, nothing super exciting. But the view is actually really nice from bed. Let me show you. So like I still have to get blinds for this place, but right now I'm really enjoying just getting woken up by the sun as it comes up. So that's nice. This is my view, so I get to see the sunset. And then here you have like an aerial view of my downstairs. So I love how high my ceilings are because this is a loft style apartment, and I do spend most of my time downstairs anyway. I will say, if you're someone who forgets that ceilings exist, you will hit your head a few times. I have, for sure. You can't stand up. I'm 5'9". There's absolutely no way that I would be able to stand up here. And that's fine. Like, I just crawl into bed, and that works for me. Yes, I am so happy with this apartment. I still have a lot of like decoration to do, but this is like the bare bones, I would say, of the apartment, and I just wanted to show you where I'm at. If you haven't subscribed, please do follow me on Instagram. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.